Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can attach photos to iPhone calendar events. So to get it started, first of all go ahead and open up your calendar application on your iPhone. So once you open it, here I have set a friend's birthday on Jan 7, 2024. So for instance, I want to attach photo to this event. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. So once you tap on it, here on the top right corner you can see the option called edit. Go ahead and tap on it, and when you scroll all the way down you can see the option add attachment. Tap on it and you can add any photos or videos or any attachment file you want to add. So let's say I'll just select this particular picture. So once you have selected the picture, you can just go ahead and tap on that done option, and once it's done, you are good to go. And this is how easily you can attach photos to your iPhone calendar events. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.